I've never used it.
Alright, I don't want to offend you, but I was thinking like 20.
Oh, Lord, no.
Morning.
Hi.
Does your little vacuum still work?
Yes, it does.
How much is that?
Whatever you would like to pay.
I'd like to pay $5.
It's fine with me.
Okay.
You might need to,
Yeah, it's like missing a little
No,
piece,
but-
but it should work good enough.
yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, your wife's gonna be pleased.
She is. She's very
So
excited.
real sweet now.
Is there more stuff in there?
40?
More stuff in there?
I'm trying to get it all out. Yeah,
Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm
You need help?
moving slow. No. There's not a whole lot. I got stuff in that van too.
It's actually in here. What are you thinking on this Chromecast audio? Couple bucks?
Yeah, never.
$2 I'd do on it?
We're really just like, whatever we don't
Cleaning house.
get.
I like your garage floor here.
Oh, yeah, that was a
Here's $2 on it.
Sure.
What is that?
Get the other bag.
Pretty good helper there.
Yeah, the only one that's awake.
$1 for this?
I have no idea if that's even. Sure.
I was sitting in a bag.
Yeah.
My five.
Yes. I'm getting that. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Everything? How much is it? These are $1 and then these would be like Es más chiquitito, pero un poquito como de niña. No, esto es como
Is más
Yes.
That's creepy.
No, por este lado, no sé si es esa otra más para abajo, pero hasta le digo a Héctor, mira, dice, Nayel. Y allá al lado también de este lado de nomás son como 3 y más esta criatura.
Here, 50 cents for each of these, so $1.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yep. Thank you. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Oh, you got a cash register set up?
Yeah, he's selling lollipops for a quarter.
Oh.
They're his little buddies. A quarter or 25 cents.
A quarter. What is that? Oh, that's a bag.
That's a travel bag.
Yeah.
It has the little wheels with a picture on there.
Okay. I mean, we gotta buy some lollipops first. Here, I'll take 4 lollipops.
Oh, he's giving you 4. So there
So
you go.
$1.
And then you give him 4. He maybe wants to pick out his flavors.
Whichever flavor. It doesn't matter to me. Perfect. Thank you, sir.
Kinds of flavors.
Love the
Thank
flavors.
you.
Appreciate it, buddy. You have a lot of curling irons.
Yeah. Well, part of it is my mother-in-law. She's just sold one of her houses. So she's just giving
Ah,
stuff
gotcha.
that she doesn't need anymore.
Yeah, I know these things can get crazy expensive. My wife just bought one of those Dyson.
Oh my
Hair
god,
dryers.
those are so expensive.
It was not
We were
cheap.
fun. Yeah, those are great.
Yeah. What is that? Would you do $2 on this mouse?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm not
Cool.
lowering my prices because for the art sales site.
There's a lot of traffic at least.
There is a lot of traffic,
Here
guys.
you go. Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks, have fun.
We had a travel club. You guys have any like a costume?
How we doing?
Good, how you doing, sir?
Pretty good. How much is your little automated vacuum thing?
That's my mom's.
Oh, okay.
Lady over there.
She just said it was a
Gotcha.
I'll do like a Frankie.
How much for your vacuum?
I paid $300.
Oh,
Yeah, I paid a lot, but I haven't. I'm not asking that for it.
okay.
So make me an offer.
It all works and stuff?
Oh, it's never been taken out. It's never been used. My son gave it to me. I've never used it.
All right, I don't want to offend you, but I was thinking like 20.
Oh Lord, no.
Okay.
80 is the least I'll go.
80 is the least. Okay.
So what happened?
You want it all?
Oh, look at this. What's this? Just like a bag?
The old CD case.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, hold 500 and
Wow.
I like your shirt.
Thank you. Would you do 2 on Gravedigger? $2? Yeah? Nice. My son will love that. Here you go, buddy. Yep. Thanks, guys.
Man, I really did forget. I brought my Apple Watch. I forgot the phone.
dollar piece.
Sorry.
How much is your little Christmas mouse? $1. How much are they? Oh, thank you, thank you.
How much are the shoes?
Scott.
$20.
20?
Yeah.
So we
Like 180 new.
Yeah, I know. They're nice.
Yeah, they're good, right?
That's not the box for them, is it?
No, I just put that box.
Yeah.
You can keep the box if you want.
Let me think on it. I gotta think about it.
Yeah, definitely.
You'll have to ask my husband about that.
Is that like
I have
some
no
sort
idea.
of
He brought it.
It's like a
bagel toaster?
It's a toaster, yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
My wife would kill me if I put that on the counter.
I tell you yeah.
How much is that?
I tell you what, if you take the shoes and that, I'll give you everything for 30.
Huh.
Yeah. It's tough to pass, right?
Yeah, I'll go for it. Whatever.
Yeah, exactly. No, they're really good.
Yeah, I want the shoes real bad, and this I
Yeah.
want too, but I know my wife's not gonna let me use it. So.
Yeah, I'll tell you. You don't use it, you can sell it for more than that.
It works.
Exactly.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't want it on my counter.
That's exactly. It's just so big. I don't have a lot
Yeah.
of counter space. What I do is put it in the garage. That's what I should do.
Yeah,
Make
exactly.
my
Oh,
bagels
yeah,
out
definitely.
there.
Oh, without a doubt. There's a company too, right?
Yeah. Oh, this is kind of creepy and cool.
My mother made
I was gonna say, yeah, it looks handmade. That's really neat. How much is that?
$1.
I'll take that. I like that.
So my mother is getting, I love my mother, but she's getting old,
Uh-huh.
almost 80, and she is giving me everything. I just don't want everything. I have lots of stuff from her, but I don't want everything. Does that make sense?
You want to carry this for me? Where you at?
I'm kind of far. If you want to help, thank you.
Without a doubt.
That truck over there.
Without a doubt.
Thank you. It was nice meeting you. Tell your mother I love her art. Hey everyone, just wanted to quickly show you what I found at those yard sales and go through some of the values of the items and just kind of talk about what everything's worth. Alright, so I went to one yard sale and I bought this wireless HP mouse. I think I paid $1 or $2. It goes for around $25 on eBay in new condition like that. This creepy thing I bought with this backpack because I didn't have change. The backpack I knew was good because it's Victoria's Secret pink and those are always decent. It was 50 cents, 50 cents, so $1. That I'll probably put up at my house and throw it away after Halloween's over. But the pink backpack I already listed for, I think, $30 or $34.99. Brand new, it's selling for $50 to $60, so condition's really nice on it, so I'm hoping to get $30 out of it. Then I went to a yard sale where they hadn't really put anything out yet. They were a little flustered. There I got this, which is, I don't know why I even got it. It's like a, some sort of thing. But I also got this, which is a little vacuum cleaner to clean your house for you, a little robotic vacuum cleaner. Supposedly it's smart enough not to go off the edge. Let's see if it's, no, it definitely crashes into shoes. Let's see. But yeah, so I got this little iLife vacuum cleaner, this little strap thing. By the way, okay, so this I found on Amazon, it's 15 bucks. Maybe I'll list it for 10 on eBay. Maybe I'll just put it at a yard sale. I don't know if it's ever going to sell. And then I got a Chromecast audio. Now, let me shut off Mr. Vacuum over here. Okay. So, Mr. Vacuum, there's a lot of different models of this. These iLifes are not worth much. I got it because I thought it'd be cool in the house. Paid $5 for it. I could sell this for 30 to 40, maybe even 50. But like I said, I'm going to keep it, use it in the house. The Roombas are worth a lot, and the newer iLifes are worth decent money. This one is not worth much. I just thought, hey, $5, that's a steal. Let me grab it. Chromecast audio, though. I wanted to talk to you about this. These have been discontinued. So they used to be a dime a dozen. I think they were $19. And I'll kind of show you what they're used for. Now, mind my mess. I'm still organizing my little shed area here. But they're used for something like this. This is like a hi-fi unit. And this one has a aux in or line in. So what you can do is you can plug your Chromecast audio into that and then cast to this older device which has no Bluetooth from your phone so that you can hear, you know, Pandora or Spotify on your really nice old speaker. But you know, a lot of people have really nice high-end systems from the 90s or the early 2000s that still work great and have beautiful sound, but they don't have Bluetooth. So something like the Chromecast Audio is an awesome way for them to get the newer kind of audio podcasts and Audible and music to their really nice hi-fi system. But Google discontinued it. So now it's rare and it's worth money. Pre-owned, it goes for $40 in an instant. I already sold this. I put this up 2 hours ago. It's sold for $40. Brand new, they sell for $80 to $90. So if you ever see a Chromecast Audio, you want to see that little headphone wire there, grab it, especially if you can get it for $1 or $2. Quick, easy money. Okay, so then I went to one more sale where I got these golf shoes. I wanted to pay $5 for these, to be honest. I thought they'd be worth $30 to $50. I was right. I know that now because I looked them up. I've listed them for $50, high end of the comps, hoping I can sell them. They're golf shoes. But the reason I bought them was for the other item I got this sale, which I'm going to have to go inside to show you. All right, here is my other item I got at that sale, a super heavy-duty toaster. You put your bagel in, and it sends it through on the conveyor belt, and it toasts it up for you. Toast it on both sides. You got a top heat and a bottom heat. And then once it's done, it kind of comes down the little chute, and you can get your completed bagel. This is a Superior brand. It's kind of loud. So I looked up the model number on this. I could not find it where it said Superior on it, but I did find other ones with the same model number, pre-owned, selling for $350 to $400, and brand new sell for $700 to $900. So this was a really epic find. The only problem is I don't think I can sell it because I like it too much. But if I did, I'd get like $300 for it.